Hello, welcome back. Today we are doing a fun video. I have a brand new brand for you guys. This is a new, exciting, up-and-coming brand that just came into Walmart stores. It's called Uoma By Sharon C. It is an extension of the brand Uoma Beauty, and I am so excited to share with you guys the entire line. I have every single one of the products. I'm going to show you application on them. I'm also going to show you how they work. I've also been trying these out for a few weeks, so I have like full thoughts on everything, and I thought it would be a fun video to share, so why don't we go ahead and get started. So the brand we're going to be talking about today is called Uoma By Sharon C. It is an extension of the brand Uoma Beauty, which is a brand that is available at Ulta Beauty, and it is founded by their CEO, Sharon C, who actually now created this extension line, and this line is going to be available at Walmart stores, so it's going to be an affordable line, which I'm so excited about. Products are super great quality. I've been actually trying them out for a while now because I got to work with them on a TikTok video, so I got the products like ahead of the launch to test them out, to make sure that like they worked for me and everything, and I was able to film that video for them. This is not sponsored at all. I wasn't like told to make this, but I've been loving these products, and I also wanted to share the brand with you guys since it's a new brand, and I thought I could give some insight on it for you. So a bit about the brands. They are vegan, cruelty-free, recyclable packaging, non-toxic ingredients, premium quality, and then made for all is like a big thing within the brand. Sharon C is a Black founder, so if you love supporting a Black beauty brands, like I think we all are right now, it's a great brand to buy from. Uoma Beauty has a lot of really great products. I've tried their Drama Bomb mascara, is like one of my top holy grail favorite mascaras, so I was excited to see this new line. There's actually a mascara that I'm going to share with you guys today. Really good. So they did launch actually with skincare as well as makeup products. So we have a cleanser and then also a vitamin C serum. So I'm going to show you guys the products really quickly. Packaging on everything is very cute. Like I said, price range on everything is pretty affordable. This cleanser retails for $14.99. I believe the serum is right about $20. Yes, so $17.99 for the 10%, or the 20% is $23.99. So they have two different vitamin C concentrates. And then they also have, these are their Go Off 2-in-1 water activated cleansing wipes. You get 40 sheets, and these are $5.99. So I'm going to share these with you guys too. The cleanser, I'll show you how everything removes. Packaging on everything, it has this really cute pink and white theme throughout. There is also a foundation. This is the Flawless IRL Skin Perfecting Foundation. It comes in 30 different shades, which is amazing. Shade range really great on this. It is $14.99, so nice and affordable as well. And then we also have lip oils, and these are actually a multi-purpose product, so you can use these on your lips, on your face, on your eyes. I'll show you guys how I really like to use them as blushes, but they are called It's Complicated Lip Tint and Oil Gloss. So it comes in 6 different shades. These are going to retail for $6.99. They have ingredients such as avocado oil, hyaluronic acid, and they come in, like I said, 6 different colors, so lots to choose from. And then lastly, there is a mascara, and this is a really good mascara. I'm just giving you guys like a heads up. It's called their Level Up, and it is the Batter Boom All Natural Volume Mascara. Love the wand on this one. Here's what it looks like. And this does retail for $7.99. So again, great prices on these. Everything is affordable, drugstore pricing. Again, it's available at Walmart, which is awesome. So I'm gonna actually move into like showing you guys the products in action. I have been using these, like I said, for quite some time now. I'd say like a couple weeks. So I definitely got a feel for the products. I haven't been able to put this foundation down. I've been using it a ton. It looks so nice on the skin. So my only con with this is the packaging gets a little messy with like the pump here. You can kind of see that there, but it is a nice glass bottle, does have a pump, and you can use this. It's more of like it's a little bit thicker when you put it out. It's more of like, I would say like a medium coverage foundation, but it has a very nice natural look to the skin. You can kind of see there. Definitely has coverage, but it's not going to be like full coverage or anything like that. It has really like a second skin-like look. And the shade that I am using is Fair Lady T6. Again, they have a really great shade range when it comes to this foundation, so hopefully everyone can find their match. So as you can see, as I'm blending it out, a little bit goes a long way. I did just put like 2 pumps, and that's going to be enough for my entire face. But as you can see, it has like a subtle glow to it. It's nothing too heavy. It does wear really nice on the skin as well. Like I said, I've been wearing it a bunch, and it does have long-lasting power too. A tip that they actually have in here that I haven't tried out yet, but I want to try, but it says to mix a pea amount of your eye cream with the IRL foundation to apply as an under eye corrector. So it's going to blur your under eye, so you don't need like a concealer. You can use the foundation as a concealer. So I'm going to try that out. I haven't tried it yet, but I would assume it would work nicely. I'm kind of curious. I've never mixed like an eye cream with a foundation before, but let's try. So we're just gonna put a small amount here. I'm using the Fourth Ray Beauty, what is this called? Their So Radiant Brightening Eye Cream is what I'm using, and I just mixed a tiny little dab here with the foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and just mix the two together to get a little nice texture going, and then I'm gonna apply this under my eyes. The texture of that feels really nice. I would have never thought to do that like with a foundation, but it's actually probably a great tip. That probably would work with quite a lot of foundations. Okay, yeah, it definitely gave me like some coverage, but it doesn't feel like heavy or anything like that. Sometimes I feel like when you put foundation on your under eyes, it can feel really heavy, but that's a good tip to like mix it with an eye cream. I might do that more often with like some of my other foundations as well, but yeah, looks really good. Okay, so here's the complexion. As you can see, we have a little bit of radiance, a little bit of glow, but it looks really natural on the skin. And now I'm gonna show you guys some of the lip oils, because what's really cool about these is you can use them on your eyes and on your face as well. So again, these are $6.99 in price, and there are 6 different colors. So I'm gonna swatch each one of the colors for you. So here's a look at the range so you guys can kind of see. So these are a pigmented lip oil, but they're not overly pigmented. I'm gonna apply some on my lips just so you guys can kind of see the color payoff. So I think the shade I'm gonna go in with is Mischief, and I'm just gonna show you guys like how they look on the lips. So they start out with like having quite a bit of pigment, but they definitely sheer out. The formula almost reminds me of like a lip stain in a way, because they do dry down a little bit. But I want to show you what's cool about this formula is you can also put it on the face as well. So that's what I'm going to show you guys now, is how to wear it like as a blush. So each time that I've done it as a blush, I actually just apply it directly on my skin. So I kind of just dotted it like so. And then I use my finger to blend it out. And it actually works really nicely, and it's quickly. It works pretty quick. So it's not like it's gonna dry down like too fast, but it kind of just melts into the skin. And like I said, you can use these on your eyes as well. And because they have more of like a, it's not like a cream, but it's more of like a stain texture. They don't feel like super glossy or anything on your eyes, because I was worried about that. I was like, oh, you want me to put it on my eyes? Like when they first like gave me the brief, I don't know if you guys are like familiar with how like content creation stuff works, but like in the video they wanted me to use on my eyes, and I was like, I'm gonna put a lip gloss on my eyes, like but the formula is actually really cool, and it does kind of dry down, so it's not like sticky or anything like that. And since it's so easy to work with, it really just works to kind of just like swipe it on your eyes, and like I said, it kind of dries down too. You guys can kind of see there. So you see how pretty that looks, just like a flush on the skin. The shade that I used for that is the shade Pink. It is similar to a lip stain as it is a lip oil, but like there's no transfer with it, which is really nice. You have like a little bit there, but like throughout the day it's not going to transfer, and it also lasts really long on the lips, which is nice. Okay, so here we are after powder. So again, close up of the skin. It just like blurs the pores. It looks so nice. Now we're gonna move on to the Batter Boom Natural Volumizing Mascara. So now we're gonna show you guys this one. And when I first tried this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is nice. Like I was a big fan of the Drama Bomb, like I was saying, from like the Uoma Beauty brand. So I had high hopes of this one, and it did not let me down. It's a really nice mascara. So I'm gonna grab a little mirror here so I can show you. I didn't curl my lashes or anything because I do wanna show you how good this is on its own, you guys. But it's so black, and it actually coats every single one of your lashes. Makes them look so long, but also like really full at the same time. All right, so here it is on one side, and then you can see the other side without it. So definitely gives, like I said, volume, but still it does a really good job at also lengthening. So really nice mascara. Okay, so after mascara, this is our final look using the Uoma by Sharon C line. I'm telling you guys, like, you need to check out the description box. I linked everything down below at Walmart, or head to your local Walmart, because I think these products are so good, and I'm so excited about this new brand. I also want to show you guys the skincare products. So I am going to show you the cleansing oil as well as the wipes, because I really like these wipes. I'm not a makeup wipe person, but these are actually really nice. So what they are is actually a cotton pad that you can get wet, and the product is already in these. So here's what they look like. Actually, let me show you guys a full. They come out like a square, like they're all like this. And you kind of just rip off a square. I think there are 40 in a package. Yeah, 40 sheets in a package. They're infused with natural makeup remover, infused with argan oil and vitamin C, and they actually work so well. All you do is just get them wet and you remove your makeup with them, and they work really well. So I'm gonna show you guys those, and then also I'll show you like the cleanser on the other side of my face so you guys can see the skincare products. But yeah, definitely recommend these. And then the vitamin C's you can use, like I said, there's 2 different variations. So we have the 10% or also the 20% as well, which is great. Okay, so I am back. I actually have some glitter on my eyes. I tried out one of these Dazzle sticks from KVD Vegan Beauty. I feel like these are going viral right now on TikTok, so I did film like a little TikTok trying that. So I do have that all over my eyes, but now we are going to show you guys removal of all the products with all of the skincare products. So first up, I want to show you guys these pads because I typically don't use makeup wipes. I think these are a really great alternative though because they are cotton. All you have to do is wet them and the product's already like in there. So I am going to show you guys these first. So they're actually super soft and really great at removing your makeup. So they are infused, like I said, and here's about the size I have here. And you get it pretty wet. You try not to like wring it out because the product is actually in there. But I'm going to kind of just show you guys how nicely they remove. For the eye, you kind of just want to like hold it down on there. They are really nice, and it's a great alternative to makeup wipes if you are someone who likes like a quicker removal. Do you see how nice like that removed it? I'm telling you guys, super great product. And then they also have the cleansing oil, which I'll show you guys for the other side of my face so you guys can see how well the cleansing oil works. I've been using that a bunch as well. The mascara is really nice too because it's not super hard to remove. That is actually one of my cons with a lot of mascaras I use. I really like the Maybelline Sky High, but I swear that one is so difficult to get off. And it makes me like not want to use it because at night I literally feel like I have to like dig on my eye to get it off. But okay, here's half my face. You guys can see it removed it really well. Here's what the pad looks like. And then I just flip it over to do the other side. But I am going to show you guys the cleansing oil on that side. So for that, you can actually just apply it directly to your hands. You can just use like 2 pumps here, rub your hands together. And then this is just going to like break down the makeup. And it works really nice for your eyes too. It's not like overly, like it's not, the word I'm looking for, it's not too harsh for your under eye, or for your, it's not too harsh for your eyes is what I'm trying to say. Like you can literally just like do this too. Like it's really gentle. And yeah, you can see how it's breaking down the makeup. It works really well to do that. And then with this, you're just gonna like want to get it wet and then rinse. That would be your best option, but I am just gonna use the other side of this only because I'm in my filming room and I'm not next to my sink. But normally you just wet it and it'll become a little bit more of a lather. But I'm just gonna use the pad here. All right, so here's my skin after. It doesn't feel stripped or anything like that. Pad is like completely done, so you can just trash that. I do have a little bit of glitter on my face, but yeah, you guys can see here, skin looks really nice. It feels nice. This doesn't leave like a residue or anything like that on the skin, which is great. But that is everything for the Uoma by Sharon C line. I hope you guys are excited about this one as much as I am. I feel like there are some really great products here, and I was really excited to just get on here and show you guys these new products from this new brand. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Again, I'll try to link everything down below for you if you want to check any of it out. Thank you as always for watching. I hope you will subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, friends.